Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have access and a browser. Start at the WordPress site home. Once there, check the visible feed link by viewing page source or using browser find. Make sure you inspect the head section for link rel equals alternate entries because WordPress declares RSS there. If you find one, note its type, RSS2, 0 or Atom, so you choose the right reader. This first check is fast, and it often yields the canonical feed URL without any plugins or guessing. Once you inspected the head and didn't see a link, construct the feed URL deterministically. Try the site root plus /feed/ first, because WordPress exposes main feeds there by default. If that returns index content, try /feed equals RSS2 for compatibility. For specific content, append category slug or post type. Example, com/category /slug/feed/ or example, com/post slug/feed/. Make sure to test each result You're nearly done. Verify the URL returns well-formed XML with an RSS or feed root and items inside. If you get a 404 or redirect, check permalink settings and try the query form /feed equals RSS2. Make sure caching or security plugins aren't blocking feed access. If items are missing, inspect theme or plugin filters that may alter feeds. One key troubleshooting tip: disable cache and temporarily switch to a default theme to isolate whether theme or plugin changes prevent feed output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.